Hello, my name is Ralph from Montech, and today I would like to introduce the D-Rpa 3000 to you. The D-Rpa 3000 is a dynamical rubber process analyzer used for characterizing polymers, uncured rubber, measurement of curing, as well as dynamic mechanical analysis of cured rubber compounds. Here we see the machine frame itself, as well as also the software MonControl that comes with the machine. The machine itself is fully controlled by the software. This means all test sequences, test programs are set up in the software, test series are created, and then the instrument runs the samples automatically because this machine is fitted with an automation system. You can have automation systems from 5 up to 480 samples that dramatically save labor costs in your lab as well as improve efficiency. Running a test sequence once they are set up in the software is quite easy. You just place the sample on the tray next to the machine, hit the start button. The machine automatically detects the samples as well as loads the samples and the film to the dies and starts to run the test sequence. The D-Rpa 3000 is fitted with a torque drive system. This means the instrument features a variable oscillation angle, variable oscillation frequency. The unique thing is that the oscillation angle is up to plus minus 180 degrees of arc, and the testing frequency can be up to 100 Hertz. Of course, temperature is also variable from room temperature up to 235 degrees C, or even there are some low temperature options that can be fitted to the machine. The whole test sequence can be static. This means that you can operate the instrument in an MDR mode with static test conditions, fixed frequency, fixed oscillation angle for measurement of curing. But also you can operate the machine in a dynamic testing mode. This means you can run isothermal, non-isothermal test, strain or frequency sweep, matrix tests, relaxation, retardation, as well as many more test sequences, just in any combination. All the results are recorded digitally. Raw data is available on the computer and can easily be processed directly in the MonControl software. With one click, you can print your test reports, or you can also automatically export all the data to external programs such as Microsoft Excel or any other biological data processing program. This instrument is furthermore fitted with the instrument control panel. You can use the instrument not only in a lab but also directly in the shop floor environment, and therefore you don't need to set up the computer nearby the instrument. The instrument itself is fitted with an Ethernet interface, so you can set up the computer in the lab and still have the machine in your production environment. The machine frame itself is extremely rugged and also fanless to be a reliable testing machine in your shop floor environment. Here we can see the first tested sample removed from the die, as well as the second sample is picked up from the tray and directly placed onto the die, and afterwards the test sequence starts automatically. Now, having a look at the MonControl software. The MonControl software is used to set up all your test configurations, store your test parameters, record the results. On the upper right side you see the current readings, as well as on the lower right side you see the actual graph of the torque as well as curing speed recorded from the sample that's currently tested. As well on the left we have a so-called test queue. This means you can store a series of tests. This means then you only have to place the sample on the tray without the need to identify the samples furthermore in the software. All results are stored in a database. Any type of database can be connected for example, Microsoft Access, MySQL, Microsoft SQL, or even Oracle databases. The software features an open database structure so that even the customer itself can directly access all the data or submit SQL statements to the database to retrieve data as they want to have them presented, or even create their own custom reporting system. The Mon Control software can furthermore also be installed to Office workstations to remotely access the data and monitor test results. The Mon Control software not only features the test configuration and data recording, but also a full reporting system to analyze test results, create tolerance, control, and warning limits, calculate gates, tolerance curves, as well as do statistical process control and statistical analysis of test data. Now we see the second test finished. The sample is automatically removed from the die, and here we can see the tested samples feed out of the machine. So, thank you very much for letting me demonstrate the best price performance RPA in the market.